Like
Hey,
that.
man. Hey, what dog?
Get the ball back right here. What?
Yeah.
Mark my word. Hey,
Get her out there.
you miss Uncle. Yeah, I'm finna go in with y'all. You want something out the stuff?
Yeah, I want candy and toys.
Candy and toys.
Yeah, I got squishy dumplings.
What's these dumplings?
Put in your car.
Put in my
Take the car.
put it in my car. Say hey. Say subscribe to the channel.
Breakfast, Daniel.
That's what you want?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like Savvy Patch.
Why you handing this to me?
What time do I need
I want toys. Where is the toys?
Come on, Uncle. Let's go to the toy.
Oh, they got it.
Wait, what is this?
Okay, Zariah.
Huh?
Okay, so this is what Uncle gonna do for you, okay? You get 60 seconds. Let me pull my phone out, right? Okay, so what I want you to do is you can pick out whatever you want in the store. But you have 60 seconds, okay? And whatever you want, Uncle come by. Okay? You ready? So you gotta get all the things you want, okay? Ready and go. What you want?
I want.
Come on, hurry up. Just grab get anything. What do you want? Get what you want. Okay, what else? Hurry up, hurry up. You got 15, 14. All right, slow down.
Yes,
Grab what you want, but slow down, little girl.
I'm done.
You done? That's it?
Yeah.
You want to know?
No,
All right.
that's it.
Okay, let's take to the front.
It's done?
Yep, good job. Let's go get it.
I like my torch, baby.
You got your toys?
Yeah.
Oh, your dumpling?
Yeah.
Uncle gotta go wash his car. So, Uncle gotta wash his car and clean and vacuum his floor. So, yeah.
I'll just smell this.
Huh? Smell? I don't want to smell that. That be in your mouth. I don't want to smell. Smell your lollipop? I never heard nobody say, smell this lollipop. What? So, do you want ice cream? Do you want frozen yogurt? What do you want? You want frozen yogurt?
I want ice cream.
Ice cream.
Can I sprinkles?
Give your toy back. Unless you want to carry a toy.
Carry my toy.
You what? Touch the water. Okay, wait. It's banana pudding. Okay, we can't waste it on this. Well, you hold it. You gotta hold it hard. All right, I got you. You ready? She's doing it, y'all.
Okay, wipe it.
What?
Yeah. Oh my god, that's a lot.
Yeah.
That was a lot.
That's it? Or what else?
We need sprinkles.
Sprinkles?
Oh, man.
Put it in there.
Oh, I did it.
You did it.
It was something else.
What else? Put it. Good job.
Or something else. I want gummy bears.
Gummy bears.
Yeah.
Hold it right. You got ice cream? All right. Put it up there. You gotta put it up there. Put it right there. Take the spoon out. It's cheaper. Now, you gonna go play in that water? Before you go play in that water, you better not get all wet. You only put your hand in it, okay? Only put your hand in the water.
Flashback.
Hey, get out the water. You can't go get in my car. Look, stop. You ain't finna get in my car. You all soaking wet. You're not finna get in the car. You gonna walk home. You finna walk home? Okay. You gonna come. I'm going. You gonna walk home. Bruh, this baby's soaking wet, man. She's soaking wet. Why you running that water? My uncle telling you not to go in that water. You ran all the way in the water.
End of flashback.
Alright. Okay? Okay, you go play. No, you're not. Keep your shoes on. Just put your hand in the water. Huh? You can't. What? Put your hand like this. You gonna do that? I'm right here. I'm right here. Go. All right, that's enough. All right, come on. You said put your hand in there and you got all soaking wet now. Was that fun?
Yeah.
It was? That's good. Oh, don't get Uncle wet. Hey, that's enough water. That's enough water. Eat your ice cream. You gotta go ahead and get back to Granny house, okay? You got a body. Can you hold it? No? Come on, see our potty. Uncle about to leave, okay? Give me a hug. I love you. Alright.
Sprinkles stay here.
Yeah, turkey. I'll come see you later, okay?
Okay.
The Lord is on his heavenly throne.
I'm the birthday.
He said I'm the birthday. That was me. What up? What up, 2 for 2? What that mean? 2 for 2. You might get surprised with something on that boat, man. I'm weak. I'm too in this. That's funny, bro.
Not at all. My 6.
It was 2 to 1. No, it's not. It was 2 to 1.
Hey, what y'all say? Y'all gonna go what? Ooh! You gonna make this? What you said last night before you fold? If you don't get a strike, you ain't eating what?
I ain't saying that.
Oh, you ain't gonna say it right now?
I was confident.
Okay. Y'all getting y'all warm-ups? What y'all doing? Y'all need a warm-up? Nah, let me see. You gotta warm up. Yeah. I don't need no warm-up either. Nigga. You made it? Did you make it? Getting in? Yeah. Not getting in there. All right, now, if I would have brought some shorts, I might have would have got in. Maybe.
Came to a pool party with
Yeah.
nothing to slip.
I'm from Alabama, though.
You from Alabama?
Yeah, I'm from Alabama. Birmingham.
What about Alabama?
Oh, don't.
But what does that mean though? Like you swim in Alabama?
You ain't never met That's what that mean. What you
Niggas
mean?
don't swim?
I swim in lakes. What you mean? I'm not finished. Look, man, I'm not finished swimming now. Maybe tomorrow. Y'all coming on the boat?
Huh?
Y'all get on the boat?
No, I'm actually going to be back home.
Oh, where you from?
I'm from Oklahoma, but I live in
Oklahoma. You from the country too, then?
Not really. I'm from Oklahoma City.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. My mama's from the country.
Where your mama from? Oh, okay.
She's from the country. But no, I'm from Oklahoma City, so I didn't
That's what's up. How you liking out here?
How I like what?
Out here?
In Dallas is nice,
Yeah.
but it is busy. Like, all the time. You live here?
Yeah, I stay out here.
Yeah. I
That's
don't like
cool.
y'all's traffic.
Oh yeah, the traffic is terrible.
Traffic is horrible.
Traffic terrible.
And I haven't drove. Like, this is my best friend. She's driven everywhere. And she does.
Where you from?
I'm from Chicago.
Chicago? Chicago. What part?
What's that? The south side, like Beverly.
Okay, yeah. I got a couple homeboys from Chicago. Yeah. What up? How you liking out here?
It's alright.
It's alright.
For now, yeah.
You like Chicago better?
Yeah.
Go back then.
For sure.
Go,
I did not go there.
you said she said she would. said y'all finna what? Y'all about to what? Be who? Put in the comments who y'all think finna win this game. Let's get it. Go song.
I'm not even getting the win for real.
Not getting the win.
Helping us.
Who cheated? Who cheated? I didn't cheat.
They cheated the whole time.
We won Fan Square. Chat, put it in the comments. Who won? Who won Fan Square? Y'all couldn't even get past half. They couldn't even get out the grass. Let's go, y'all. Y'all can't really see me right now. It's a little dark, but I just pulled up to the next play at my home bus spot. So I had to drive like 40 minutes away, bro. So let's see what it's talking about. Really, I'm just come through, chill for a little bit, and just leave for real. So yeah, just see what it's talking about, man. You like Hennessy more than oh,
Come on.
oh, that would have count?
That win the bitch.
That counts.
Okay, White.
You hear me? Yo. It's a lot. Yo. Oh. Hey. Yo. Talk your shit, come on now. Hey. Hey, y'all remember that goddamn, I forgot how it go, but it go something like
Oh, nigga, what you talking about?
some like, you know what I'm saying? Like the little cut song, like
You mind if I do it?
you know what I'm doing? Yeah.
You gotta hit that. You got that.
Show me some.
I think I take it for the long way ride.
Yeah.
The time's quicker for the way.
Yeah.
Oh,
You gotta do it. Stop.
hey, bro. I'm sorry.
Hey, bro.
Hey.
Hey, get a video, throw them up, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, bro. What is your ass?
Oh, my hair.
Yeah, you gotta do something about that, girl. You gotta do something about
Chill out on me. It's okay because it's coming up tonight. I'm ready to go. But my at is AK2. Yep.
chat. We fucking vlogging. We trying to make the motherfucking YouTube sick, y'all. And God, damn it, coming straight out the gate. Out of the motherfucking. Probably scratch my balls. You hear me? Damn, chat. Oh, I can wipe it off. Ain't nothing to, you know what I'm saying, to lick it off. You feel me? But chat. We good. We good. We good. Ooh. Coming right out that gate, boy. Bump my junk, trying to do an intro video for y'all. But anyway, let's get to it, man. As y'all can see, I took my hair down. So, it's Sunday today, and to be honest, we got a lot planned. So, yeah, spend the day with me. Where all my skinny? Didn't that go, y'all, man? Where y'all gonna go?
Get my cousin.
Your kid?
Clean my hair.
Clean who? What?
I had to go get us some season for game night.
Who eating some cereal? And then eat that cereal. Who eating cereal?
What's cereal? She ate.
Hey, you get her.
Sweep the floors. Make the bathroom livable.
I'm about to really get my hair done, so
What you mean? Go get
I
your
ain't
hair
pull up
done?
to your house to clean your house. I gotta clean my own house now.
But I need you to clean my house.
You
You love
can't
my house.
clean your
You
house.
love. You moved in your house, leaving my house a mess.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. You left that, and I told you to get rid of all of that, and I told you to sweep the floors before you left. And I come back to my house
You just say pretty girl.
That's you right there.
after being gone for almost 6 months, and
That
you
look
gonna
like
tell me
Uncle?
you couldn't clean my house
Do that look
before
like
you
me?
left?
Yeah.
That's not me.
No, I'm talking about up there.
Oh, that is me. Good. But anyway,
It ain't anyway. Let's get it done.
Daddy,
Yes, babe.
I want a popsicle.
Okay. Not.
That's a little kitty.
I ain't gonna lie, your hair look good like that though. Yeah. You know what I'm
It's
saying?
not done.
We kind of look like twins.
I am your mom. You gonna look like me anyway.
You probably look like my brother.
Sour bitters. Sour sop.
Mama look good right y'all.
Gotta
Man.
take them.
Got our little lion manes going on. So
Call it a lion mane.
I call it a cougar bang.
A lion mane. You call it a mane. I have a
No.
beard connected.
No, you ain't got that no beard connected, but your hair is
It's
like
rounded.
shaking one time.
Uncle, look, this is
Huh?
Huh? It ain't combed all the way through.
The hair? Your hair ain't even done all the way through. No, I'm playing, man. Right, what you just give me? Squishy dumpling?
yeah.
Wait a minute.
Hey,
Let me
So-
give me your juice.
squishly,
Where's
squishy.
your juices?
Hold on, you order food?
I ordered her some juices. Hold on.
You didn't order me none for my house.
Well, you didn't give me a list. What are you
That's
talking
crazy.
about?
That's
How am I
crazy.
supposed to guess what you want? When I told
Squishy.
you to give me a list.
So this YouTube video, this episode is brought to you by Squishy Dumpling. Right, what they call?
Squishy dumpling.
This the Squishy Dumpling?
And you better eat it all quickly. Quickly.
Can I get one?
Yeah.
Mom, give me one. Give me one for I leave real quick. Really, the person that do my hair, they stay over here, so.
They braid.
Yeah, she braids, she do all that.
After
You
we
need your hair
got
done?
steak on.
I'll let her know. What type of braids you need, because you know that's what they gonna ask. What type of braids?
Cornrows to the back. I need cornrows.
Cornrows to the back. I get my hair done by Ty, y'all. So, hey, Ty get me right. Ty can get my mama right. Ty get you right. You know what I'm saying? This episode is brought to you by Ty. Right. I'll see you later, okay? All right, y'all. No. Thank you for the ice cream. You said what? So, popsicle, thank you for the popsicle. Alright. Love you.
You was talking shit that day.
Where?
No, that wasn't you.
About.
Somebody came over here. They said my friends gonna think I'm in a storage room. I said, oh my god.
Hey, bro. But Ty, you moving though, so you in the process of moving.
Between where she lost what she was praying for. He's a prophet. So
we doing a little store run. Ty. Yo, Mark, we down there. I'm hungry. Supposed to be a store run. We might do a little food run. Now you want to take the elevator, not the steps. Okay.
I always do it there. Thank you.
Okay. So, what we come here for? Moose. I really should have seen if we had it downstairs in my mama's house, for real. She probably didn't. Huh? Some flowers? You want some flowers, Tom? Get Tom some flowers. It's just tight. When you rolling with Jay, that's just tight stuff I do. You know what I'm saying? So, look out for the hairstyle. Get some flowers. Let me get a discount. Shout out to Tom. That was our little store run. Huh? You said what? What'd you say? Watch this. This is how you gotta be smooth. Oh, snap. Ooh, hold on. I gotta pee. Hold on, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I ain't gotta pee, man. You gotta go look out for Ty, man. I ain't gonna lie. So, Ty be looking out for me. She come through whenever I need to, man. She can get my hair done and stuff like that, man. So really gotta go look out for her, y'all. She said she likes some flowers, so I gotta get my hair styled with flowers, you know what I'm saying? Do something good, you know what I'm saying? So, all right, Ty. Okay, no say, never did nothing for you. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Shout out to Ty. Y'all go get your hair done. If you're in Dallas, get your hair done by Ty, man. She got Instagram, all that. So, you gotta look out for your friends. You gotta look out for the ones that look out for you. You feel me? Especially the ones that come through. That's just like, when you try to do stuff last minute, ain't nobody want nobody to do stuff last minute. You know what I'm saying? So. Come through for me, I come through for you. You feel me? So, hopefully she can't see these flowers. Hold on. I gotta finesse the game. You know what I'm saying? Oh snap! I'm wasting the water. Okay, hold on. All right, bet. Ty, my bad, Ty. My bad. And I ain't trying to put you on there like this.
Jay, you are funny.
I kind of waste the water a little bit, but it's good. So,
thank you.
Yeah, gotta look out for you. You know what I'm saying?
These are pretty.
Yeah. So, y'all like the video, comment down below. Make sure y'all subscribe. Got a lot more to do today. Let's go. y'all that don't know where I'm at right now, I'm at the Star. I'm at the Star. A lot of great athletes train at, mainly the Cowboys. So your favorite NFL player possibly could be up here. You know what I'm saying? So I thank God for just giving me the opportunity and the ability to just come up here and work out. You know what I'm saying? So let's go.
Yo, bro, you was not supposed to be here right now.
Oh, for real?
This man told me he was not coming, but here he is. So
Nah,
you did. You said you had
I'm
work.
here.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
But I'm glad to have you here. I got you. Luckily, I brought extra jerseys because I definitely filled your spot. But it's all good. I brought extra jerseys. You good to go.
Say look, man,
Good to see you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm gonna get you a jersey in a minute.
Man, I can get on the field?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Just say, boy, I wasn't supposed to be here. I was supposed to be. Oh, my heart. But let's get it. I guess I didn't get the memo. Hey, I need cleats.
Nah, you don't need cleats. Just tennis shoes.
Bet. Do I need gloves?
Nah, you shouldn't.
Oh, all right.
I mean, unless you want to wear them.
Bet, so. I ain't bringing none of my football stuff in here. Let me go get my football crap. I'm finna go get my football stuff.
All right, then.
Bet, so let's. So anyway, I thought it was a workout, but it looked like it's something for dope boys. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, we finna turn up. We finna do this today, and yeah, we gonna see how it go. But it should be fun, man. My boy Momo, shoot, yo.
What's going on?
You doing all right?
Yep.
Yes, sir. So, that's my brother Momo. Y'all make sure y'all follow him. I don't think I put it at the other video, but I actually met him in like a few videos that I did before. But I didn't think that it was gonna be like a football workout. I'm not gonna cap to y'all. So it kind of caught me off guard. That's made it even more fun, by the way, that I actually get to put my cleats on and do a little something. So I guess he gonna be making a video. I'm gonna be making a video. So y'all go watch his video. His link down below. And yeah, let's do it. Really, what we're doing is intro video. Every video we can do is always against girls. So, you know what? Y'all put it in the comments down below. Who y'all think gonna win today? Is it gonna be the girls or is it gonna be the boys? So, yeah, man. We always gonna win the team. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. But put it in the comment down below. Y'all think gonna win. Make sure y'all like this video, subscribe to the channel. So, let's go. Oh, wait. Today, this clip right here is sponsored to my battle. So, y'all battle girls. Battle, put it in the comments down. Yeah. Okay, so if I got a rate, I'm saying the facility, if it was 1 through 10, I give by an Infinity Stone, because that outside turf is something. but the inside turf, something different. And then they got the big screen. I ain't gonna lie, man. Shout out my cousin Mario. Shout out my cousin Juju. Yeah, this junk so fire. This junk so fire, bro. This junk so fire, bro. I'm putting in work now, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So we can shine out later, bro. One day we gonna shine out, dog. One day we gonna shine out, bro. And I wish y'all here with me right now. You know what I'm saying? But y'all a big purpose to my videos. I'm gonna keep making these videos for y'all, showing y'all what I'm doing and everything out here. All the way from Birmingham, you know what I'm saying? So, right now your boy, show you what, you know what I'm saying? Cowboy beat, you know what I'm saying? Training that, so, hold on. But right now we doing a video too, though. Hold on. Brownie points to whoever was just doing the worm. Whoever was just doing the worm, brownie points.
No, you immediately have to take them away because why her shirt tucked in? She got her shirt tucked in right now. You want to do the worm? Wait, you just know she hikes and shit. You know what I mean? She's been to.
Before I leave, I gotta catch a couple. Oh my gosh. Gotta catch a couple passes. You know what I'm saying? Guess he just threw it once. Now we're gonna go ahead and drive back to the crib, get ready for, keep watching the video, so you'll see. Let's go. Alright, we out. Where my boy at? Go over there, take pictures with his folk, man. You know what I'm saying? One day we gonna get to that status. We got a little bit of that status, you know what I'm saying? Video of me at the bowling alley, taking pictures and shit with the fans and everything. So it's always a good time. So let's go.
So hopefully we make it there on time, y'all. I ain't gonna count. So I'm gonna try to get to the crib fast as I can, and yeah, y'all just stay tuned. As we gonna make it to the boat, y'all put it in the comments down below. Yeah, they ride. I ain't gonna lie, chat. Is that what we call it, chat? Forget calling y'all chat, man. I gotta think of a cool little name for y'all. Something different, man. You know what I'm saying? I ain't like squad or something like that, but I ain't calling y'all squad, you feel me? Y'all, I possibly could make it to the boat on time. That's what I was supposed to get. Okay, I just have to pull up with no shirt. No, I got a shirt in the trunk of my car. Okay, all right, what do I do first? What do I do first? I have 10 minutes. Find some socks, bro. Socks. Find socks. Okay, find some socks. I need white, short socks. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Long sock. I don't need no long sock. I need, all right, that one. That Nike, though. I need another white Nike sock. Short Nike sock. Should I wear these draw? No, I don't want to wear them draw. I wear my polo. What's the polo draw? Okay, come on, bro. With my other side. That's a long one. Ooh, what it is? Let ride. Boom. My riders. What up, riders? Nah, we ain't gonna do riders. So, how y'all riders? My little riders. Nah. Anyway, all I gotta do is just take the shower, get dressed, head out, because it say I'll get there at like 6:40 something. But so I have literally like 5 minute, 10 minute frame. So y'all chat, I ain't gonna stop calling these niggas chat, man. I ain't like the rest of these niggas. I don't say chat, bro. Anyway, man, that's that social media stuff. Anyway, man. Alright. Right now, I gotta check to put lotion on, bro. I'm at the elevator, waiting for the elevator, bro. The elevator taking so long, bro. They say I ain't getting out of 6:55, bro. They saying the boat will take off at 7 o'clock. Bro, I mean, either way, I look fly, so I don't care. You know what I'm saying? If I don't care, if I don't make the boat, I'm straight. I go find me something to do. But I'm trying to make this boat. Am I gonna make it? Put in the comments if I'm gonna make it there or not. So we see the time just keep going up, bro. But hey, let's get it, let go. I got white forces on. I was trying to bring my slides and everything, but I left the slide. You know what I'm saying? I left the slide. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Ooh, wee. Yeah. So I mean, we pulling up right now. We pulling up to the little boat party. Yeah. I have a good time today, bro. Let's have a good time. So. Get some great content in for you guys, you know what I'm saying? Showing you guys like my life, you know what I'm saying? My life, things that I get to do here and there. It's really my weekend for real, so. My health going so bad, bro. Like, it's kind of crazy, but. I'm walking over there with my phone. I got the tripod in my bag and everything, but we made it. The boat ain't pulled off yet, so yeah. Let's see how this junk go. Y'all like the video? I'll see what type of day it's gonna be. Yeah. Really my birthday week. So y'all make sure y'all like the video. Put in the comment, happy birthday. Hey, Tom. Hey. You know what's going on? Hold on. Let me get light skin. Hey, so put in the comment what? Happy birthday to my boy, man. Yes, sir. Come on, man. What you look? Hey, I had to go double cut, you know what I'm saying? Double cut, yeah, my boy Jan on the Hey, we out this thing, boy, come on, huh? Yes, sir. Hey. Hey, y'all walk in front of me just in case if I trip or fall on these small steps. Yeah, I'm laying right on you.
Let's say happy birthday to Charles and Whisper. Anticipate needing to have them, but if we do, you come see me, I'll help you put it on, okay? You say yes, yeah. Yes, all right, who's ready to go?
You say yes,
Hey, I'm the captain now. I'm the captain now.
Let me drive. You hear me? That's right.
Man, y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy Rich Ken, aka Lil Kenny, man. You can follow me on the gram. Yes, I am the man with the plan. Come on, we came AP bust down. It's like a plain Jane. We don't do the bust downs. There's too many of them floating around. You feel me? Hey, man, we out here for my boy Whisper and my boy Charles today. If you ain't got a motherfucking bottle in your hand, then you ain't came with the right plan.
Hey, y'all get him the shot. Right? He said times 2.
Hey, and we got white chocolate in the building.
Come on now. Come on.
Easy, white chocolate, easy.
You know we had to. Yo, you already know we Puerto Rican. You already know we come from the straight island. You know we Puerto Rico, puñeta.
And we just getting started. It's JBO High. You know. Tell them stay on that side, nigga. Because if you ain't here, you on that side. Simple as that.
So you need to do collabs, bro. Instagram hack.
What's the Instagram hack?
Collabs, bro. You know how you can make collaboration posts with different artists and everything?
No, I don't be on social media like that. So I'll be vlogging, but I don't be on social media like that.
Bro, if you go to Instagram and you make a post on anything, you can invite a collaborator, and usually it's somebody else with like the same like type of interest, right? So like either money, music, entertainment, anything like that. You collab with them and automatically it'll boost your post, bro. Not only will it boost your post, but also get you more engagement from their followers as well too.
I bet. Hey y'all, make sure y'all go follow my boy Yvonne, man. I pronounced that right?
Yeah, that's it.
Yvonne, you know what I'm saying, man. Great guy, man. So let's get it in, y'all.
Run it up. Run it up.
Let's ride. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm gonna put everybody on the phone. Man, what you say? Come on, you joining the convo too. Shit, we all out here.
We out here.
Now you said what? You be on who? On what?
I be streaming on TikTok, but I just started on Kick and Twitch.
Oh, Kick and Jam. Jam. Nobody don't want to see you jam. What's your kicking stuff? Everything
is miscluded.
Miss what?
Miscluded, everything.
Miscluded. Well, y'all, like I said, man, it's gonna be a great time. Great vibes. Pretty much everywhere we go, man. Y'all can feel like this whole weekend, man, we've been doing something. This whole weekend, we've been getting it in. So just left a little football thing, and then out there hey, man, you never know who you run into. Make sure y'all follow everybody that's gonna be on this. Follow everybody, man. Show some love. Put in the comments. Who's your favorite person from this vlog? That's a good one. Put in the comments who's your favorite person from this vlog. And it better be me.